Hey everyone. Getting stuck in an infinite Cloudflare verification loop is the worst. You click the box, it spins, and you're right back where you started. In 2026, this is almost always caused by a corrupted clearance cookie in your browser. Today, I'm going to show you how to break the loop by deep cleaning your Chrome browsing data. Let's get you back into the site. Step 1. Open Chrome settings. First, open your Chrome browser on your desktop. Look at the top right corner and click the 3 vertical dots, or ellipses, to open the main menu. From the drop-down, hover over Settings and click it to open your browser's control center. Step 2. Navigate to Privacy and Security. On the left-hand sidebar, click on Privacy and Security. This section handles everything from your passwords to your site permissions. Once you're there, look for the first option at the top, Delete Browsing Data. In 2026, this has replaced the old Clear Browsing Data label for most users. Click that. Step 3. Clear the data. A window will pop up with Basic and Advanced tabs. Under the Time Range drop-down, select All Time to ensure the old Cloudflare token is completely gone. Make sure cookies and other site data and cached images and files are both checked. Then click the blue Delete Data button at the bottom. Now, simply close all your Chrome windows, reopen the browser, and try the website again. The loop should be gone. By clearing those cookies, you forced Cloudflare to give you a brand new, fresh verification. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.